how to reset Amazon Prime password. Now whether it is Amazon Prime or Prime Video doesn't matter, because all of them just come from your single Amazon account. So the way to reset is pretty much the same. You can use the Prime Video app, Amazon app, or you can also use the Amazon website by going to amazon.com. Once you're here and you're on the sign in screen, let's say it's asking you to enter your email or phone, so maybe you enter your email address. The next thing it does is to ask you to enter your password. But since in this case you don't remember your password, what you can do to reset it is by just tapping on the forgot password option over here. Just confirm whether this is the correct email address that you want to reset the password of. Then once done, tap on continue. It will send the verification code to your email, so simply go ahead and check if you have received the verification code from Amazon here. And once you've received the verification code, simply make sure to copy the verification code, then come here and then just make sure to paste it. And once done, you can just tap on the continue option and it will take you to the next page. It will also ask you to verify the phone numbers, so once done, you just make sure to go ahead and enter your phone number, then just tap on continue, and then it will ask you and take you to the page where you can choose a new password without having to remember your old password. And this way you'll be able to reset Amazon Prime password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.